So what's going on, everyone? Today's the 25th of July, 2024. We're going to talk about Tesla. I know you already know that the market crashed and it went against our intentions of looking for the market to go higher. It happens. Now, the question that I'm going to try to answer today is, okay, since it crashed, will it continue to go lower in price? What would be the next move for the market in terms of seeing this price action recently occurring? Will it continue to go down? Or will the market stop going down from where it is right now at $212 and then begin to go up? Let's see if we can do that. Because when we did our price prediction in Tesla, I told you that we were already at a sell zone. I wasn't surprised to see this market in Tesla crash at the reported earnings on Tuesday, the 23rd of July. I'm not surprised because we already identified that this sell zone was already here. There was already sellers in the market in Tesla going back to December 2023. So apparently these sellers back in December of 2023, they are still there willing to sell. That is the only way price will continue to go down once price came to that level a second time. That's the only way. It's not the earnings, it's the people, it's the institutions, it's the businesses who wanted to continually sell in Tesla as price came back up to $260. There's always two warring factions going on all the time in the markets. You got the people who want price to go up, then you got the people who want to see the price go down. I'm a neutral party. I play both sides. Wherever side the money is going to go, that's the team we're going to play for. I could care less about being a diehard buyer. I could care less about being a diehard seller. I'm both. So given that the market in Tesla did not hold our buy zone, apparently the buyers are not winning. They're not winning. The sellers currently have control of Tesla stock. At what point would they relinquish that control and then give it to the buyers? Or when will the buyers take over Tesla stock again? So let's go ahead and talk about it. So yes, this price prediction did not work out. If you were to get on the close of yesterday, we will be down 14.66%, and it happens. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And it did not hold this buy zone here, so we could get rid of that. The only thing that we know is holding firm in Tesla is this sell zone up here at $260. That is still firm. Okay, so we know that this is going to be a problem, an obstacle, an issue for the buyers. It's going to be a huge issue. Now, this area down here, I'm going to change it. This is going to be the buy zone right around here. Okay, so now, is there a potential for us to see Tesla come back down and test this zone? Yes, it is. That is another 22%, 22.5% drop in price from where price closed yesterday. Just saying, is it probable? It's a chance. Like, there's always opportunity for price to go a lot lower than what you expect. But many people who are buyers into the market in Tesla see this move recently as a buy opportunity. Question is, will they buy it? So this is where I'm looking for market in Tesla to ultimately try to come down towards. Okay, right around here. This is going to be the trend area for us to determine if this trend is going to continue in Tesla, because looking at that trend line that I just drew, you can see that the market was definitely overextended. It went up too fast. So we're going to see if these buyers are going to come down in this particular area. That's going to be my first target. All right. So here it is on the 2-day time frame. You can tell by looking at a price chart, the price history, the price action, whether or not the market is very indecisive as to how this business operates. When you look at Tesla's price, the stock price, it has too many gyrations. It doesn't move smoothly. It is very erratic and very rigid. You have a lot of gaps being seen in the market in Tesla that tells you that the market doesn't know. It's undetermined as to, okay, how do we need to interpret the information that we're getting off of tweets, off of earnings reports, off of what Elon even says? How are we supposed to interpret it? Because you never know from any given day what this man is going to say, what it's going to do, and how is it going to impact this stock's price. You got a gap right here. You got a gap right here, a massive gap there. You had another gap here. It's all over the chart. And it simply tells you that the market doesn't know how to price the information that it gets concerning this business. Thereby is where you get opportunity, an opportunity to profit. So let's go ahead and see what we have on the 3-day chart. So you guys can see, even on our proprietary software, we got that indication to sell, right, on this 3-day bar. And this 3-day bar is now printed. So we're about to start a new 3-day bar. This alone tells me that I need to look for price to continue to go down in Tesla. Just that alone. Here it is on the 4. Take a look at Tesla on the 5. Okay, here it is on the weekly. We have a day and 10 hours left. Take a look. That doesn't look good. We already have that weakness already being created. We already can see that up fake. So looking at this chart, the weekly, looking at the 3-day, where do you think price is aiming to go? Is it a coincidence that, let me show you, that the market stopped going down right around this area here? Is that a coincidence? Look at this. It bounced around $200 in October 2023. Then you have this area. It was acting as resistance back in the beginning of this year, March 2024, February 2024. It acted as resistance in April 2024. So my idea is for the market to come right there around $200, at least to see the market buyers try to hold price. That's what I'm thinking, because it takes us even to our trend line that we created on the daily chart. These things don't happen by circumstance or coincidence. These things happen on purpose. So let me go ahead and drop the next price prediction in the market in Tesla. This will be our first target in or around this trend line. It's 7.5% move to $200 from where the market closed yesterday. 7.5%. That's the first target. And I think a lot of the buyers will want the market to stop there. But in the event that they don't hold this trend line, my next target would be around 186. Okay, I'm just going to do those two targets for the moment for Tesla. And let's see. Yeah, let's keep the resistance up there around 242. But yeah, I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Hit that like button. Should also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.